Good morning, students. Today we have to know some another rule of exponents. In the previous classes, you already know about these types of a rule. A to the power 0 equals to 1 and a to the power minus n equals to 1 upon n. Proof of that, you know that a upon a equals to 1. Okay, is a cancel out a 1, and we know that when the base is same, then in a division power subtracted, then the left hand side a to the power 1 minus 1, because in a division power subtracted equals to right hand side 1, a to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, and a to the power minus n equals to 1 upon n. We have to prove that. We know that from right hand side 1 upon a to the power n, we know that a 1 equals to a to the power 0. So a to the power 0 upon a to the power n. Now when the base is same and in a divide power subtracted, then power 0 minus n, and this is equals to 1 a to the power minus n. Now we have to solve 6b, question number 3rd. 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 4, and 10 to the power minus 4 equals to 1 upon a to the power n, to 1 upon 10 to the power 4, and this is equals to 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this is the answer. Now 9th part, 3x to the power 0 minus 1 upon 3x to the power 0 plus 1. Evaluate that, या solve that. We know that any variable, if the power is 0, then the value of that is 1 according to this rule. So x to the power 0 equals to 1 minus 1 upon x to the power 0, 3 into x to the power 0 means 1 plus 1, and this is equals to 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1, and this is equals to 3 minus 1, 2 upon 3 plus 1, 4, 1 upon 2 answer. Okay, now next question number 2nd, 4th part. It is too easy. You have to solve this type of a question in previous classes. In question number 2nd, 4th part, find the value of minus 27 to the power 1 upon 3. Okay, so minus outside 27 to the power 1 upon 3, and we know that the prime factorization method 27 equals to 3, 9, 3, 3, 1. We can write that 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 to the power 3 whole power 1 upon 3, and we know that power to the power multiply, so this is equals to 3 to the power 3 into 1 upon 3, 3 to the 3 cancel out, this is equals to minus 3 to the power 1 minus 3. This is the answer. Okay, now next question number 10th, 10th part. Find the value of this 27 upon a to the power minus 2 upon 3. Okay, now we have to solve this type of equation according to situation. X to the a to the power minus n equals to 1 upon a to the power n. Okay, and this is equals to 1 upon 27 upon a to the power 2 upon 3. Okay, now fraction upon fraction, reciprocal and multiply, and this is equals to reciprocal 8 upon 27 to the power 2 upon 3. Okay, now we know that 8 equals to 2 to the power 3, 27 equals to 3 to the power 3 whole power 2 upon 3, and power to power multiply, then it can be represented as 2 upon 3 to the power 3 and a whole power 2 by 3, and power to the power multiply, then this is equals to 2 upon 3 whole power 3 into 2 upon 3, 3 to 3 cancel out, then this is equals to 2 upon 3 to the square, and this is equals to 2 square upon 3 square. 2 square equals to 4 upon 3 square equals to 9, and this is the answer. Okay, there is only one rule, 1 upon e to the power n type. Okay, now next 6C exercise. 6th C exercise, question number 2nd. Find the value of cube root of 64 to the power minus 4 into 125 to the power minus 2. Okay, now we have to solve according to situation. We know that a to the power minus n equals to 1 upon a to the power n. Then this is equals to 1 upon 64 to the power 1 upon a to the power n, 1 upon 64 to the power 4. Okay, and next 1 upon 125 to the power 2. Now we have to solve this type of equation, and this is equals to, then 64 can be represented as, we know that 2 to the 4, 4 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64 means 2 की power 6 equals to 64, and 125 means 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, then 5 की power 3 equals to this. Now cube root of 3 equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 6. 64 means 2 to the power 6 to the whole power 4 into 1 upon 5 to the power 3 whole power 2, this 2. Now we have to simplify that, and this is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 6 into 4, 24 upon 1 upon 5 to the power 6. Now when 2 to the power 24 outside for this cube root, then this is equals to 1 upon 2 to the power 24 whole power 1 upon 3, because cube root, and this is equals to 2 3, this is equals to 3 8 ja 24, then outside from this cube root equals to 2 to the power 8. Okay, now 2 to the power 5 to the power 6, when outside from the cube root, then this is equals to 5 to the power 6 whole power 1 upon 3, 3 to the 6 power to the power multiply, then this is equals to 1 upon 5 to the power 2. Okay, so outside from this cube root 1 upon 5 to the power 2, and this is equals to 1 upon 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 to the 64 to the 128 to the 256 into 1 upon 25, and this is equals to 1 upon 6400, and this is the answer. Thank you.